Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 71. Let x sub n cross y sub n equal positive integer remainder when x times y is divided by n, where x, y, and n are positive integers. What is the value of 4 sub 4 cross a sub 4? You might see something like weird operations. I call it like cross because I see like a cross sign, but you can call anything you like to describe that operations. It's not like the additions or subtractions or multiplications as we usually see, or the divisions. So in this case, we just follow whatever the questions describe or the definition of what it means. So in this case, the cross sign, these operations will be the remainder. Okay, the result of that will be the remainder, positive integers remainder when x times y, so divided by n. So first of all, how we read this is x right here. That is your x value, right? Then your y value, where we take it, is from here, y value, right? And how about n? The n value is right here. That n is the same thing, right? So we have n right here. We have x right here, and then we have y right here, right? And also, of course, they given the new operations, so this one is what they're asking, and the whole thing we just highlighted for the first sentence. That is the definition of that operations. Okay, so let's start. We will have x equal 4, then we'll have y equal 8, then n is equal 4. Now what they said, x sub n, so 4 sub 4 cross a sub 4, that equal to the remainder of x times y. So x times y, that equal 4 times a, that equal 32. And n is equal 4. Now we do the division, right? So we have 4, we have 32, divided by 4 is a times 4 is 32. We subtract, and the remainder here is 0. So remainder is 0. The answer is 0. So if the answer we have is in decimal like 1.2, so the remainder, if this is the remainder, right? If it's 1.2, so it will be 1 for the answer. Okay, this is example. The remainder that equal 1.2, not multiplications, okay? 1.2. So this is the integers, the positive integers, right? Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.